We receive a question from Shadows E10 on how to set the signature on the Outlook host in your account. Thank you for your question, and here is the answer. If you need to configure Outlook with Hostinger from scratch, first watch the video linked in the description below, The Ultimate Guide to a Smooth Hostinger Email Setup in Outlook. To answer Shada's question, we already have our Hostinger email already linked with our Outlook account. Now let's add a signature like this one. Now let's get started. Download the desktop version of Outlook by going to outlook.live.com, create a free account, or sign in. Once you download the desktop version, click on New Email on the upper left-hand corner. It does not matter which inbox do you choose. In the new email, change the From address to your Hostinger email. In the Message tab, on the upper right-hand corner, you will see the signature icon with a little arrow. Click on the arrow to open Signatures. Here we have the signatures and a stationery setup. In the email account dropbox, select the Hostinger email account. Under Select Signature to edit, click New. Type a name for the signature. Let's try Hostinger. Only you will see this name. The Edit Signature panel is active. Now enter the text that goes in your signature. I copied and pasted for speed, and look at the formatting options on top. Let's select the text and type Montserrat in this example. Here you can change the font size, bold, italic, underline, color of the text, and the text alignment. We chose left. Insert an Outlook business card, image, or link. If you want to know how to add a business card in Outlook, let me know in the comments below and we'll create a full tutorial for you. Moving on, let's add the link of the website in the signature and then a custom logo. To add the link, highlight the text and click on the link icon. In the next screen, type the website in the address field below. Now let's take care of the logo. We already made one in Canva. If you want to learn how to create a logo for free in Canva, check our video also in the description. To insert the image in Outlook, click on the image icon on the far right, under the Edit Signature Tools. Notice that the logo is too big, and I can't just resize it by dragging the corners. Right-click on the image, select Picture, and the Format Picture appears. Click on the Size tab and notice that this is placed as an absolute height and width, and we can only change the size. Now, under the Scale Height and Width, we'll reduce the size to 15%, but you can adjust it later. Leave the Lock Aspect Ratio and Relative to Original Picture Size checked. On a quick note, unchecking these locks did not help resize the image for us, but your subscription to our channel can help wonders. Once the height and the width are set to 15%, click OK. To reposition the logo to the top, right-click and select Cut, then paste where needed. To finish the setup, at the bottom under Choose Default Signature, select the new Hostinger signature on the new messages and also on the replies forwards if you want to. Close the initial blank message and make sure to press Yes to save your changes. Now let's test the signature by creating a new email, and it now shows. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.